Guys, it's Friday. To be quite frank with you, I've woken up properly like 15 minutes ago, and at first I was a bit frustrated because I thought, you know what, man, I missed the entries on gold for price to go up. Next thing you know, I'm looking properly at the time frames, and I'm seeing, hold on, I wasn't. So now I feel more relaxed. I feel more at ease. I was trying to calm myself down in the middle of trying to figure out if I actually missed out. And yeah, I suppose I'm still trying to work on my pain avoidance mechanisms. So yeah, as of now, we're gonna be waiting. It's currently approaching the 4 hour close. We are going to go into the charts, and then we shall see how things go. And as you know, as you should know from these past few days, we have our wonderful guest Lorenzo with joining us. So let's go. Let's lock in. Obviously, the daily, we have this daily is bullish, right? We didn't get to come to 98, but we did get to break out. We did get to break out. And currently, right now, the 4 hour has closed super bullish. So I guess you know what that means, guys. We have to wait for the next entry signal. Now, if we look at how this 4 hour candle closed, so it hasn't broken above any of these areas, but it has approached pretty much the resistance, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh.
Fuck, yeah, gee.
So yeah, 40, we could see 40 get tapped. We could see 50 get tapped. So
I
yeah,
mean,
in the
the
meantime, we
top of
just
the
have to wait.
resistance
We
for
just
me
have to
at
wait, guys.
38.
And Nasdaq is dropping, but it doesn't mean that we can't try to get into some buys as long as we get the candle confirmation. My first area failed here. The next area of interest is here. And then GJ I don't really care about, honestly, man. GJ's been like slowly dying. So yeah, for now we just wait. I'm gonna have my 1 hour time frame open for confirmation, and then the rest will take care of itself, guys. I'm not in any trade at the moment. The account is dry right now. It needs some lotion, but we have to wait. We have to wait. Lorenzo, what's your take on the markets right now?
Right now we need to wait and see, bro.
That's it, man.
I think, yeah, gold now is in the supply zone. The resistances. So, yeah, we are already in the resistance. For me, the area is 27, basically 28 until 38. 100 people, all the supply. So, no, I wouldn't buy now. Candle, no candle confirmation, I don't care. I would wait if it breaks. If it breaks, I would wait for a retest to enter buys. Otherwise, have a confirmation to go short, but I see unlikely. I see really unlikely. It just show a missile.
I got paid from work, yeah. And bro, like I was just upset, bro. I looked at the paycheck and I was just upset, bro.
Why? You pay too much taxes.
No, just naturally,
What?
bro. I just felt like disappointed, bro.
Why?
Well, first of all, I wasn't satisfied, bro. Yeah.
Why you wasn't satisfied?
I don't know, Lorenzo, but yeah, I didn't feel nice, bro. I have not taken any trades these past 2 days. Stop. For a moment today in the late London, no, it's not even late London session, but in the middle part of the London session, I began to feel FOMO. Fuck FOMO. FOMO is for bitches. For bitches. You are not a bitch. Bro, you open 1.5 lots again.
I know, bro, I know. But look, £5.
It's up to you, bro. It's up to
No,
you.
do you see? Look here, bro. Look at the
I'm
stop.
looking, I see, G, I see.
Yeah, it was £5, even 1.5 lots.
I see, G, but the question is, do you see?
I do
But
see, bro.
okay,
One
look,
lots,
listen.
I
Okay,
was risking £5. You see, then I moved to break even. So now,
okay. But I want you to, when you get a moment to sit down, I want to explain something to you because maybe I didn't explain it to you properly last time, innit?
I need to take a shower.
I was watching our video and I noticed that when you said, oh, the stop loss is at £10, whatever, and the trade is following the risk, yeah. Bro, the thing is this, right? You get into this habit of just over risking, bro. All you're doing is you're building consistency with inconsistency of how many lots you use per trade, right? Or how many or your stops per trade, bro. You're not consistently or systematically saying, okay, I'm gonna do it like this, I'm gonna do it like that, right? Because, bro, for me, this is crazy. Yeah, at the beginning of the deposit, it went from 1% risk. Then you said, okay, finally, I'm gonna go to 3% risk, and then now, bro, you've revenge traded twice, or maybe more times. I don't know how many times you've revenge traded, but bro, 1.5 lots is crazy. I know
It
you
was
said that the stop loss. I know you said that the stop loss, yeah, is gonna be £5. How many times are you gonna put a £5 stop loss on a 1.5 trade, 1.5 lot trade?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. But gee, like
How many losses will it take for you to say, okay, I'm not gonna trade this area anymore? Or how many that's probably a wrong question to ask. The question I need to ask is,
bro, I follow. It's another thing, bro. Like
yeah,
you have your system,
yeah.
okay. I look at the price section. Gee, I scalp in the 5 minute, bro. The
Mm,
1 minute.
mm. But do you think but do you think it's right to always change how many lot sizes you use per trade?
Yeah, it's fine because, bro, I told you, it doesn't matter. The important is that I stick to the risk. I stick to the 3%. This one it was 3%. 150 was 150. Yeah, a bit more than 3%. 4.5 was 3%.
I don't know. I just think it's inappropriate to not risk
No,
the same amount.
now you put 0.2. Okay, how much is your stop loss?
My stop loss is 5 pips, 50
Yeah, how much?
pips,
50 pips. How much is gonna be?
£72.
72 pounds. 72 pounds. Do you reckon it's 5% risk?
Yeah,
How
5,
much?
10%.
Huh?
5 or 10%.
5 or 10%.
Yeah.
10%. You would be willing to risk in 10% of the account.
I would be willing to risk 10% of their account for the week.
But for one trade, bro, like your risk of ruin if you risk 5%, 10% is really hard. It's really high. I mean, if I'm saying
Is high is high, but at least like if I hit a certain parameter of the account, I know okay, that's it. I'm done for the week, bro.
okay.
I'm done for the week. Because there's no way that the way how I used to trade or this thing of not having a systematic approach, bro, towards risk management, towards trade management, towards anything to do with trading, bro. There's no way that I can continue like this, bro. There's no way.
That I completely agree, bro.
But I just feel like it's not just for me, feeling for you, bro. Like it's just I don't feel like it's the right thing to do. But if you think it's the right thing to do, then you keep doing it. Because again, I think you're totally right with, of course, if the stop loss is managed. But for me, what I think is incorrect is that when you keep if you keep using 1.5, how many, for example, yeah. Yes, okay, you can use 1.5 lots until what? Until your account doesn't go above the margin required, 130. So the moment you get to 130, that means you can't use 1.5 lots anymore.
Yeah, no, of course. Of course.
Hmm.
So, yeah, this one is my take profit. Yeah. And it's the bottom of, the last bottom we had. If this one fails, it will continue to go down further. But bro, judging from the price session, look how it closed.
Yeah, for me, I'm gonna say that Nasdaq is gonna go up, bro. It's better for you to close the position, G. It's better for you to close the position, bro. Remember the 4 hour closed bullish, yeah?
The 4 hour bullish. How is bullish?
The 4 hour closed bullish, I said.
It didn't close bullish, bro. The 4 hour.
Yeah, up.
Ah, the previous one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, I mean, your stops at break even, cool, but your intentions for getting in the trade, bro, I would say it's better to close the position, G. Enjoy it while you have it.
But yeah, seriously, I gotta go, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying a peaceful goodbye, bro.
Right now, half an hour in late.
Okay, don't speed, G. Don't speed.
No, speak to you later, bro.
All right, speak to you later, Bello. Bye.
Bye.
I'm not gonna lie. I actually just want to stay here. I want to stay here, but I can't. So I'm literally just organizing what I can from my phone. And yeah, the rest of the stuff is done though. Like trading's done for the week. I've updated all my journals. I've updated my GPT because I actually use, like, I'm gonna tell you, I use ChatGPT for, I guess you could say, just like reflections. So it's kind of like, as much as I'm reflecting with myself, I'm kind of using ChatGPT to reflect as well. So we'll get into debates and discussions. So I haven't done that yet. I'm going to do that after. But yeah, the main thing right now is literally I'm just trying to enjoy this last day. I'll probably be up until late. We might have Wills pull up as well. We'll have to wait and see. As of now, it's currently 8:05. And just to show you where we are finally. So right now, that's where we're at with my main account. And then with my experimental account, we're here. If I had to give you like quick thoughts on how the trading went, look, I think that I followed my plan at the end of the day. We also followed our invalidation criterias. And of course, with enough information, we'll be able to determine if this invalidation criteria is really an invalidation criteria or not, you know? So in the meantime, we're just gonna have to wait. Yeah, actually just it's come to my head now that maybe what we can do is, if I keep the position tools open and I just kind of like make it smaller to the point where I close the trade, the time of when I close the trade, and then we'll be able to analyze and see, okay, this was okay, this was not okay. But yeah, I mean, I've got data on my phone, meaning I've got information to show me because I've taken pictures to be able to show me if like the previous ones I've done were I've made the right decisions before. And yeah, thinking about it now, actually, yeah, it's like I wouldn't have got stopped out of the trade when I bought it on Wednesday, but yeah, I mean, that's just one of many trades, so we'll wait and see. Yeah, aside from that, look, I'm chilling. I'm gonna organize the things I need to organize, and then yeah, I'll be back with an update shortly. If you're wondering what's playing in the background, it's World War Z, and am I watching it? Not really. It's just there in the background. It's my company right now. But but yeah, anyways, I'll speak to you guys soon. We're back now. I don't even know what the time is. I think it's okay. It's 12:30. But yeah, literally just went to the shop, got the water, been at home, I've literally finished all of the admin stuff, yeah. I pretty much just dropped a new track. So if you go on you'll see the link in the description for the SoundCloud. But yeah, literally just dropped this track with wheels that we made called Diamonds. And yeah, now I'm literally just gonna chill. It's funny because now I'm not really like market focused. I am a bit hungry, so I might make some food depending on how I feel, because I don't mind just going to sleep. Like literally, I could just knock myself out, you know. Tomorrow should be interesting because tomorrow's like officially, okay, we need to wake up, we need to start preparing. So yeah, we'll see. I think if I had to summarize the week, I think, yeah, again, we done well with the rest. I'm excited to get started on this new training regime. And yeah, we'll see how we end up looking for the end of the year. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just want to say thank you for watching. I know this one is very, 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 very short. We done what we needed to do. It was borderline productive. Time to eat, and then we'll sleep, or we'll see. I don't know. It depends on how my body feels. But I'm glad we took the 2 weeks rest. It could have been better, but we know for next time. And that's it, guys. It's all about just learning from mistakes and doing better, not just learning from mistakes and repeating the mistakes. So yeah, by the way, if I am making mistakes and I'm repeating them, please call me out on it so that I don't make these mistakes again, because that would be very helpful, you know. And yeah, anyways, take care, see you tomorrow.